Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Botim to another phone. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to download this Botim application from the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Afterwards, when you launch the application for the very first time, you will be asked to enter the phone number in order to basically create your account or log into your account. So as you can see, I've already created my account, but when it asks you to add the phone number, you need to enter the same phone number which is already connected to your Botim account. Now Botim uses your mobile number as the main account identity, and then Botim is going to basically send a verification code through SMS or call. So you need to simply enter the code on the second phone in order to confirm the ownership of the account. Now on many Botim versions, login into another phone may automatically log you out from the previous device, and this is normal because some of the accounts only support one active mobile session at a time. So if you backed up your chats previously, Botim will give you the option to restore the chat history during the setup. So in that particular space, you just have to make sure that the stable internet connection is there. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.